Back. So today I'm going to show you how to create a Telegram quiz on your Telegram group. You have a group that you created and you wanted to create a quiz to make the group more fun and to ask them the questions to be engaging. Let's get started. Also, I'm going to open your Telegram. So let me just open that Telegram now. To open your Telegram, what we're going to do is now this is it. Okay, now so go to the group that you created. I'm going to find the group now. Okay, so just open the group. When you open the group now you've opened the group. Now you can come to this message section and click on it. Once you click on it, now look at this button here. Do you see this button like pin? Click on it. Then you can see up down here, just scroll and you come to here and come to poll. Click on poll. Now scroll up on your poll and you're going to see your quiz mode. Click on quiz mode and you can see now you can add any explanation on your quiz mode. You can add any option, you can add anything. So that you can add an explanation, you can add anything else, you can do anything to add the answer. And there's 14 multiple answer. You can just click on create. So it's very simple. It is very simple. So guys, let me just click on something and an explanation. So are you good today? Once you're done, you can see. So guys, it's very optional and an option and another option here. So guys, you can just do anything on it. Choose what you want to create. Is it your multiple answers? Is it your anonymous one? Is it your quiz code? You can just create anything here. So guys, if you found this video helpful, drop the comment there for anything, and guys, subscribe.